or added manually. The format for a CSV file can be found in the Import Location section of Store Locator's documentation. Another way to build a CSV template is to manually add a location or two, then export the file. We'll discuss how to add locations manually in just a moment. If you have already created your CSV file, import it here. Then decide if you would like the import to override your existing locations or add the new ones. To manually enter a location, navigate to CMS Store Locations, then Add Location. Under Title, enter the name of the store, then add the address. You can also use the optional fields for phone number and website or email. Choose which web store or stores this location will belong to. You can also add the country for this location if it's located outside the country you selected in the default settings. Under Store Type, add search tags that would correspond to products, services, or other location designations that might help website visitors narrow their search or filter through them to find a specific product or service that they are looking for. For example, here I am adding a location that specializes in dog grooming. So I'll add a tag to help visitors find this dog grooming location quickly. For the store to be featured, we are going to change this setting to Yes. Under Notes, you may want to enter store-specific information, like store hours. Now let's look at map settings. To replace the default Google location marker, you can add a custom icon like the cat or dog that we saw on the front end. For this location, we're going to add an icon with scissors to have the grooming services of this store show more prominently. If you decide to use the default Google location markers, you can adjust the setting here to have them numbered in the search results. Re-enter the physical address so that the system can calculate the geoposition of your new location. The latitude and longitude will automatically populate once you save any changes. Finally, choose the initial zoom to specify the default zoom level visitors will see when they view this location. That about covers it for configuration. For those of you who are not familiar with us, I'd like to add a couple of words about Unirgy. Our roots go back to the very inception of the Magento platform. Unirgy's founder, Boris Gorvich, was one of the original architects of Magento at Varian. Boris is one of the most authoritative voices in the worldwide community of Magento developers. We've been around since 2008 and we're headquartered in Portland, Oregon. Our Magento extensions now power over 30,000 stores worldwide. Our flagship applications include UDropShip, an extension that facilitates and automates drop shipping and streamlines order fulfillment and purchase order management. URapidFlow, a tool very familiar to most Magento developers. URapidFlow provides advanced catalog management and high-speed data import-export, which is significantly superior to Magento's default functionality. Our multi-vendor marketplace extension transforms a Magento store into a virtual shopping mall with multiple vendors selling their products via a central catalog or microsites, allowing vendors